Nature is always changing, constantly in motion. It's a dance of growth and decline, creation and destruction, a never-ending cycle. This constant change follows a pattern, a cycle that repeats itself over and over. We call this the adaptive cycle, a concept that helps us make sense of these changes. It helps us understand how ecosystems like forests and rivers evolve and transform over time. Imagine a loop, shaped like the number 8, continuously flowing. This loop represents the adaptive cycle, a model of natural progression. It has 4 distinct stages: exploitation, conservation, release, and reorganization, each with its own significance. Each stage plays a crucial role in the life of an ecosystem, contributing to its overall health and sustainability. The adaptive cycle isn't just a circle, it's a journey of transformation and renewal. It's about how ecosystems become more complex, then simpler, then complex again, in a dynamic balance. It's about how they adapt to survive and thrive, finding ways to flourish in changing conditions. This cycle is happening all around us, in every corner of the natural world, from deserts to forests to rivers. Understanding it helps us appreciate the resilience and beauty of nature and the intricate dance of life. The first stage of the adaptive cycle is exploitation, represented by the letter R. This phase is crucial for setting the foundation of growth. Think of a tiny seed landing on fertile ground, ready to begin its journey. It sprouts, sending roots deep into the soil and leaves reaching high for the sun, capturing light and energy. This is a time of rapid growth and expansion where every moment counts. Resources are plentiful in this phase, providing everything needed for development. The young plant uses everything it can to grow bigger and stronger, maximizing its potential. It focuses on outcompeting other plants for sunlight, water, and nutrients, striving to be the best. This stage is all about taking advantage of opportunities, seizing every chance to thrive. It's a time of rapid change and incredible energy, where growth is visible and dynamic. The ecosystem is young and full of potential, brimming with life and possibilities. The R in exploitation stands for rapid growth, a key characteristic of this phase. It's a reminder that this stage is about quick expansion and the efficient use of resources, ensuring survival and success. As the plant matures, it enters the conservation phase, represented by the letter K. It has grown tall and strong, becoming a tree. Its roots run deep, and its branches create a canopy overhead. The ecosystem is now mature and stable. Resources are being used efficiently. The tree has established itself and created a home for other plants and animals. This phase represents a time of abundance and stability. The ecosystem is at its peak, with high biodiversity and a complex web of life. However, this stability can also make the ecosystem vulnerable to disturbances. The K in conservation stands for carrying capacity. This refers to the maximum number of organisms an ecosystem can support sustainably. Section 4. Fire and Renewal. Witnessing the release phase. The release phase, symbolized by the Greek letter omega, is a time of dramatic change and transformation. Imagine a lightning strike igniting a forest fire, a powerful force of nature. Flames sweep through the trees, consuming everything in their path, leaving nothing untouched. This may seem destructive, but it's a natural and essential part of the cycle of life and death in the forest. The fire releases the nutrients stored in the trees back into the soil, enriching it for future growth. It clears the way for new growth, allowing seedlings to sprout and thrive. The release phase can be triggered by various events like fires, storms, floods, or even disease outbreaks, each playing a crucial role. These disturbances disrupt the established order, creating opportunities for new life to emerge and ecosystems to evolve. The omega represents the sudden and unpredictable nature of this phase, reminding us that even in destruction there is potential for renewal and new beginnings. Section 5. New Beginnings. Navigating the reorganization phase. After the fire, the forest floor is covered in ash. New life begins to emerge. Seeds germinate, taking advantage of the newly available nutrients. This is the reorganization phase, represented by the Greek letter alpha. The ecosystem is in a state of flux, with new species colonizing the area and different interactions taking place. It's a time of experimentation and innovation. This phase is characterized by creativity and diversity. The ecosystem is rebuilding itself, exploring new possibilities, and becoming more resilient in the process. The alpha in reorganization signifies a fresh start, a blank canvas where nature can paint a new masterpiece.